So you finally got your fixer-upper, and now you're wondering, what do I do next? What do I focus on fixing up? Where is it worth spending my money versus where is it not? I'm gonna walk you through room by room of what I plan to do specifically at my property located here in Rowland Heights, as well as how I also used it to create leverage in negotiations. So this property is 7 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, 3,551 square feet. So it's quite a large property to remodel compared to these other properties I've recently acquired. As we walk in, the entrance is gonna be the biggest impact to those future home buyers for resellability. Plan here is we're gonna go ahead and pull all this flooring up. We're gonna go with brand new LVP flooring throughout the property. We're gonna demo these wood columns here. We're gonna demo this pony wall, construct a brand new 3-foot high pony wall. And the reason for that, it's gonna help divide the space separate from the entrance. This will allow you to put furniture to the back of this wall to help define the space. Here is the family room. We're gonna go ahead and demo these full columns as well. We're gonna demo this fireplace, build out a new full height fireplace to have a TV recessed in it with 2 new porcelain slabs. We're gonna put brand new can lighting in here to create a dramatic effect in this room for those new potential homeowners. It's gonna be a focal point of where they live and spend time with their family. So we wanna create a grand statement here. This is the kitchen. It's quite a bit of an odd layout. We're gonna be demoing up this flooring. I was debating to save cost if I should keep these kitchen cabinets. I was debating if we should sand them, prime them, refinish them, and add some pools to make it more updated and save costs, but to refinish it would cost about $3,000 just for the cabinets. After further investigation, some of these cabinets are pretty bad water damage, and these are just pretty disgusting. But I was doing a lot of analysis trying to find the best cost possible for what would be the most cost-effective way to do this kitchen, and actually I got kitchen cabinets sourced, brand new one, for about anywhere between $5,000. So for another additional $2,000, you could get brand new kitchen cabinets, which would help increase the home value. Ideally, where you want to spend money is the prominent features of the house where people spend time and that helps sell it. The kitchen is number 1, the master bath is number 2, maybe guest bathrooms will be number 3. So all this is gonna get new paint, take out these old curtains. I'm gonna do countertops as well. I'll do some waterfalls here along that side as well. I'll do a brand new island with some waterfall edges as well. And this kitchen's gonna look brand new. Continuing on level 1, here's a guest bathroom. So as I mentioned, there is 5 bathrooms in this house. It's gonna not be economical to update all of those. It won't really help with resellability, but this bathroom here is a guest bathroom where a lot of the guests of the homeowners would be using. So we want to update this one. This will be a full gut. Here we'll put a brand new vanity. We'll do a European style floating just to make it more modern. We'll continue the new LVP flooring throughout into this restroom. We'll resave that toilet. It's in good condition. We'll do a brand new mirror, probably a lit mirror. We're gonna do a brand new shower surround. So we'll demo this out, go full height tile, something a little bit more modern, maybe 12 by 24. And this should help increase the value of the home. Here's the level 1 laundry room. These cabinets are in fairly good condition. To save costs, I'm gonna just repaint these, keep them white. We'll keep this plumbing vanity here, and what we'll do is update this. Here we'll have the LVP for level 1 continuing throughout. Here's the garage. The garage is in overall great condition. Some actually built-in cabinetry would be great. So the only thing we're really going to be doing in here is replace the 75-gallon water heater as it needs an update. Continuing with level 1, the only other space really to focus on would be this guest suite and bathroom. So all this wallpaper will be demoed. We'll take the LVP flooring and continue it throughout this room as well. New paint. This has a wet bar for what used to be, looks like a mini fridge area. We'll keep this casework, it looks good. We'll keep that countertop, even though it's a little bit old school tile. We'll put a new plumbing fixture there. I went ahead and tagged things in blue tape that we're gonna keep and put red tape where we're gonna demo. This would help the demo crew not make any mistakes and cost me more money than I need to. Here's the guest bathroom. So again, this has too many restrooms to all focus on improving. So what we'll do here is we'll continue the LVP flooring through this restroom here. We'll keep that toilet. We're gonna refinish this casework vanity to save money. We'll keep that countertop with tile, put some new plumbing fixtures here, reuse this mirror, medicine cabinet, put a new light fixture there, a new exhaust fan, take out all this wallpaper, repaint it, keep the shower enclosure, and just put some new plumbing fixtures. And with that, you know, we're saving some money, but also helping this room be updated. Now we're gonna go upstairs. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna repaint this baluster for this staircase. Probably do 2 tones, one of the handrail and one of the pickets, just to kind of make it something new modern. We're gonna keep this carpet. It's overall not in terrible condition. I think before I spend money on some new carpet, we're gonna try to shampoo this and see how well it comes out. Here's this chandelier for the entrance. It's pretty cool. The only thing about it, it's kind of dated because it's from the 80s. It looks gold. We could take off each of these crystals and I could spray paint this thing black, and therefore this thing could be updated. Fairly cost effective. It will probably be a little bit labor intense and it may not be worth my time. I'd probably imagine take anywhere between 4 hours to take it apart, spray paint it, reassemble it, but maybe worth it. Here is the master bedroom. This room needs a little bit of work. It already has recessed lighting. We're gonna probably just replace the cans in there. We'll get rid of this wallpaper, keep these shutters. They have this sunroom edition. The neighbor has a sunroom as well. Might have been cool back in the 90s, but it's kind of dated at this point, and it's really hot in here right now. It's like a sauna. We're gonna demo this structure, gonna demo this flooring to kind of come up with the plywood on this balcony. We're gonna go ahead and put some new traffic coating on top of it for waterproofing and put a handrail, and this will now become just a balcony where you can enjoy this backyard once that project is done, as well as this amazing view. I think a balcony will help it resell a lot better than this sunroom. So in here, we'll demo these weird curtains, probably put a TV here. Now we're going into the master bath. So again, the master bath is what helps resell a property. We want to put some good amount of money into this to get a good return on our investment. What we'll be doing here is demoing up this flooring. This vanity's in pretty good condition, but you could see some of these doors, this old shaker style, starting to split here at the miter corners. That could be fixed, not a big deal. But quite honestly, prefab slab here would cost anywhere between $300 and $400. Then you're gonna have to buy the new sinks. Then you have to put some new fixtures, put a backsplash. You'd probably be at $1,200, $1,300. I could probably get a brand new vanity that's 84 inches, probably a more modern European wall hung one for about the same amount of money. So this is one where it's probably worth it just to get a brand new vanity, probably a more modern European, and help increase the value. I'll get rid of the mirrors. I'll probably keep this medicine cabinet, get rid of the light fixture, do a backlit and front face lighting mirror to kind of help increase the value here. This is the current configuration between the bathroom and shower wall enclosure. We'll keep the tub as is. I explored doing a freestanding tub in lieu of this built-in tub, but the dimensions didn't really work out. I'll flash a couple of those configurations here on the screen. At the end of the day, I think what makes sense is we're going to keep the same layout. We're just going to make it more modern. So we'll demo this glass enclosure, demo all this tile, take this to full height tile on 3 sides of the wall. We'll do a new linear drain here. We'll put the same flooring onto the wall. There's a toilet here. We'll resalvage that, get rid of all this wallpaper, obviously. I may keep these doors as is to save costs, depending on what type of trim I go with the shower enclosure and fixtures. And they have this walk-in closet, which is pretty cool because there's quite a bit of cost already spent here from the previous owners. So we want to keep that and utilize that. On level 2, we're going to utilize most of the carpet except at the master. We're going to make this LVP flooring. The transition between the LVP and the carpet would start here. Continuing for level 2, there's 2 restrooms up here as well. To save costs, we're going to treat each restroom the same. We're going to really just redo the tile flooring. It's a little bit dated. We're going to keep these vanities, resurface those, keep these countertops, keep these sinks, reuse the mirrors, the medicine cabinet, but we will replace the light fixture, get rid of this wallpaper, reuse these blinds, keep the shower surround as is, probably put some new fixtures there. Here's another bedroom here. A lot of these bedrooms here have this wood floor. We're gonna keep this wood floor to save costs. What we're gonna do is just pull off the baseboard, put some brand new baseboard, put some recessed ceiling lights in here. We'll put a ceiling fan in here. And we're gonna treat all of the rooms the same. So flooring is good. Take this wallpaper. This is some carpeting. Get rid of this and basically apply the same thing to each of the rooms to make them more modern. Some recessed lighting, ceiling fans, probably put some closet doors here. This is considered a room. It's more of like an office. We'll just put some ceiling lights here, a fan, keep the shutters. Shutters are expensive. And keep the carpet in there, shampoo this thing. Here's another room. It's identical to the others. We'll do the same thing here. Get rid of this wallpaper, some new paint. You know, this should be pretty good to go. Here is another restroom. It's a mirror image of that one. So we'll do the same thing here. To save costs, just focus on the floor. Get rid of the wallpaper, repaint the cabinet, plumbing fixture here, keep the toilet, and keep the surround as is. Now we'll move on to the outside of the house. The outside needs quite a bit of work as well. I like to do these projects in 2 phases. Phase 1 is really anything related to the structure, and then phase 2 is all the landscaping. So this is a pretty epic backyard. It has a pool. Looks like it was covered up maybe for fall protection. So I got to figure out how to get rid of this, plus drain the pool. So immediately what I saw that we needed to do, you have this beautiful patio space. Problem is that you have these 2 HVAC condensers here. These condensers are quite loud when they're on. You'd probably want a table, some chairs here, but now you're gonna have these condensers being very loud. There's some space here on the side of the house. I want to relocate these 2 condensers to be on 2 concrete pads here. There comes some complications with that. I gotta locate those electrical disconnects as well as the line set for the HVAC system. The good thing is that the 2 furnaces are in the attic, so I should be able to do that with 2 line sets running down this wall here. So that's something that we need to explore, but I definitely think it's gonna be worth the money because it would make this patio space a lot more usable. This is an outside look of that sunroom that will be demoed. Here, there's some fascia board that needs to be replaced. Overall, the structure looks good. There's nothing too major that we need to do there. Overall, after this is all done, there'll be some stucco patching that needs to be done. There's some fascia board there as well that needs to be taken care of. We'll do a good power wash on the outside, and then we'll repaint this puppy, and it should be looking good as new. Here's just some shots of the front of the house. There's some lighting here that needs to be replaced. There's a couple sections of fascia here that needs to be fixed. Here's some section of the garage surround we're gonna need to fix as well. And then after that, it's pretty much just repainting this property. The main color is the stucco, the other one's all the accent of the fascia. And this thing should pop, look brand new. Hopefully this video helps you visualize how to approach an investment property or a fixer-upper. Where is it worth spending the money on? Where is it not worth spending the money on? I'll be sharing progress as I develop this property. You'll see construction before and after. You'll see how I approach specific construction aspects of it. Walk you through the journey of this specific property and share with you more tips on others. If you guys like this content, please like or subscribe. Tarek signing off here, aka the Inverse Engineer, and hopefully this helps and provides value to you guys. Thanks.